Hey there! Thanks for joining us for virtual Earth Week how-to sessions. My name is Janet Barthel. I am supervisor here at Retzer Nature Center. I'm also a master gardener and master naturalist volunteer. Today we're going to talk about plant structure and how plants have amazing features to help them to survive. So what is a plant? A plant's a living organism, and the amazing thing about plants is they do a process called photosynthesis, where they take light energy, carbon dioxide, and water coming up from the roots, and the plant uses it to create sugar for its food and then releases oxygen that benefits for all of us. Some plants are super simple like moss, but some plants are a little more complex like a fern that produces biospores. But what we're going to talk about today are flowering plants that produce seeds. So two types of plants that make seeds. First one, seeds in cones. So this is a conifer plant. And here I have examples of white pine, white cedar, hemlock, and Norway spruce. Different conifers that we have here at Retzer. You might not think that this is a leaf, but a needle is a variation on a leaf. It is doing the process of photosynthesis, but holding on to them most of the year and staying green all year round. So flowering plants have three key parts that help them to survive: roots, stems, and leaves. So let's talk about leaves for a minute. Leaves can be simple. Let's get a good simple. A simple leaf, just that's actually a palmate in orientation, but simple. Maybe it's a branch like this from an ash tree. You might think that those are all separate leaves, but those are actually leaflets because this is now compound. This whole thing is one leaf. Those are leaflets. So roots are another key structure of a plant, a flowering plant, that helps it to survive. So this diagram just shows amazing native plants and their complex root systems that help it to deal with harsh, dry conditions and maybe not so great soil as well. This helps holding soil into place. This helps with infiltration of runoff. That's why native plants are such a key component to include in your gardens. All right, so Flowers 101. You just have to know a few things because it's not all about the petals and the color, although the petals do help you identify what that is, but we'll learn that later in the week. Petals are supported by sepals. Anthers carry the pollen, and the female pistil in the middle is where the eggs are produced and where the fruit is produced. So a crude diagram explaining it, but it's happening in all the other flowers that we see outside. Pay attention to great resource guides when you're trying to figure out different wildflowers or plants. This is just a sampling of many great ones that we like to use here at Retzer. So clearly, flowering species, they come in so many different shapes and sizes and colors, but I cannot show you all the colors right now because it is the wrong time of year to show you the beauty of this garden. So you're gonna have to come back later and see them, probably August. But later this week, on another feature with our virtual Earth Week, we're going to take a wildflower hike with the conservation biologist, and we're going to see the amazing colors and really cool forms that are attracting pollinators this early in the year. So stay tuned. We'll see you later this week.